then you're gonna do it.
So what do I need to do to finish my husband?
It's scary. It's a scorpion. You gotta cover it up. Okay, I'll just get myself like, ow! Who thinks myself? Ow! That was so cool.
Hey.
I got you.
Aim.
Uh-oh.
Throw a ball.
Something like a
Throw a ball.
What can I do for? That's what I even John. Not like a bouncy ball.
Get a lighter ball.
A lighter ball. I don't know where's the lighter ball, but I know where. Well, I know where.
That's good.
I know where these come from. These are fun.
Where did it go? Throw it up. But don't hit the ceiling.
On the field, the ball.
Boom.
Ow! Who did that? Ow! Ow! Uh-oh.
Ew. We're making a movie.
I'll put an end to this if you guys get.
No, you're making sound effects.
Ow! Ow! Stop! Stop! Shut up!
Hey, where's?
Ow!
Make sound effects. I'm looking into the camera. Don't throw anything at the camera, remember.
Okay.
Okay. Let's move it to the living room. Let's go.
Out of my office! Stop taping, please. Everything isn't interesting.
I didn't tell him to go in here.
No, but why are you taping?
I was under the chair.
Get
I
out.
don't want to
Everybody
be
out. And everybody stay out.